how to change the long press function of your power button, and this is for the Galaxy A16 phone, 5G with Android 15. In order to change this here, you'll want to go into the quick access like that, pulling down from the top right, go into the settings, then use the search option right here and type in side button. So go ahead and type that in, type this word in, and usually as you type side, it's going to show you a suggestion. So once you tap on it here, it'll take you straight to where you need to go. Now, usually at default, after the Android 15 update, when you hold down the power button here, you're most likely going to get that Google Gemini thing right there going on. And if you don't want that, then you will come here and tap on the long press option and switch it to the power off menu, which now when you hold down the button, you should get this right here. Okay, now if you are able to reach to this part here without the pressing of the button and you want to get into the side button settings, you'll tap right down here and it'll take you there as well. Another thing is, let's just say if you decide that you want to keep the digital assistant on and you still want to turn off your phone. So there is two ways to do this here. So the first way is by bringing this down all the way to the bottom, and you'll see that power button icon here. When you tap on that, that's going to let you get into the power off menu. The other one is, if you view here, you can hold down the side and volume down here together, and that's going to take you straight into that power off menu if you have the Google Assistant enabled, like and sub.